Hey everyone, this is Tracy Lee at Freedom Lifestyle. How's everybody doing tonight? We have a good content tonight. We're doing really well tonight. I hope everyone out there is doing really well, and I appreciate you being on my live tonight. Please hit the likes, comments, and subscribe button down below to get started, and also hit the notification bell so you can hear this content or any content that when I come live, you get content just like this. So welcome everybody to the live tonight. I appreciate everyone being here. Tonight I'm discussing the 10 affiliate tips, 10 steps to affiliate marketing success, I should say. 10 steps to affiliate marketing success. Get that right. Tonight, yeah, this is really good. I was browsing through my little notebook today, and I caught my eye, and I thought, boy, this took me back to in the beginning when I first started, and one of my mentors told everybody, write this down. Make sure you write this down, because this is going to help you as a guideline and a portfolio. In your portfolio as guideline for notes, so you can reflect back on it when you go to do your work and stuff like that, and you get stuck. Just remember these 10 steps to affiliate marketing success, and it'll keep you on the straight path. So tonight, number one, create solid content. Now this is a big one. Creating solid content is really not that hard. There's plenty of content out there. There's a big internet out there, and there's hundreds of thousands of ways to get content. So if they say you can't find content anywhere, I don't know what to write about or anything like that, they're full of crap. So just put it bluntly, they're full of crap. Because there's content everywhere out there. You can take stuff from everywhere and find little things you can use for your own to write content. Make sure you're putting out posts every day, valuable posts, inspirational quotes, inspirational posts, anything of that nature, videos, whatever, YouTube videos like this one, anything of value that you can give to the people that are watching you. Give them a little bit of value, or give them a lot of value if you can, on creating solid content, because it's all around you, and you can learn from all the content you create too. And also, if you create some content, you might find some other content from that content that you can use in a future video or a future post or blog or whatever you're doing. So that's it. Create solid content. That's number one. Second is track your success. Track everything of your success. Any small wins, any big wins, any milestones, anything like that. Track everything. I mean, from the littlest, smallest, microscopic detail to the biggest pieces of the pie. Track everything. Another thing is know your products. You have to know your products and the offers that you join, the offers that you get into. You have to know all your products and know them like the back of your hand. Know what you're trying to, give value to somebody, to show them what the product is worth and what it's going to do for them. Not for you, but what it's going to do for them. So you know your products inside and out. Because you don't want to give somebody a product that you don't know anything about, because they might come back to you with a question and say, hey, I need to know about this product. Can you help me out with this? And if you don't know about it, it's not going to make you look very good, and they're probably not going to come back. They're probably going to say, oh, he doesn't know anything, or she doesn't know anything. So make sure you know your products, and you'll do fine. Engage your visitors. So this is a big one. Engage your visitors. When you have people coming in on your list, and your emails are coming in, or your Gmails are coming in, and people's emails are coming in, make sure that you engage with everybody. Follow up with everything. Every time you start filling up your list, you want to broadcast to that list every day. Send them a AM and a PM emails. Let them know that you're there to help them. Make sure you follow up with them, and make sure you follow up every single time, because you don't want those cold leads to go even colder. You want them to warm up to you, so they'll know you, so they'll know, like, and trust you, and become a hot lead. And then you become a hot lead, and they're more inclined to buy. So engage with your visitors always. Make sure you're following up with everybody that comes into your business, and you'll do great. Concentrate on one niche. Concentrate on one niche only. As a beginner, I concentrate on just one niche, on what niche that I'm in, and that way I stay focused. The blinders stay on, and I stay on the same path, and I don't swerve, and get off the beaten path. I stay straight on the path, and I focus on the same niche, and just concentrate on doing the work there and master that niche. And that way it's easier for you later on down the road to make sure you stay on the straight path to success in marketing to that niche. Let's see, it would be number 6. Let's see, provide information and help rather than sell. That's a big one. This is a big one. You want to provide information, valuable information, and help to you people that are coming into your list or coming from your list and coming to you for help. And you want to help them always, rather than try to just sell to them. Instead of just trying to sell to them, don't think about the money. Don't think about the money. Just think about helping them, what you can do for them, what kind of valuable content or what kind of valuable courses or programs that you can offer them that will alleviate their pains. If you alleviate their pains and you put them into a pleasure mode, they're more than likely to buy from you, and they'll continue to buy from you because they trust you. That's point blank. Next, choose the right products. You got to always choose the right products, because if you don't choose the right products to get into, you're just selling peanuts, and you don't want to do that. I like selling high ticket. High ticket programs are probably the best thing you can go out and sell. I'd rather sell one high ticket program, or to somebody that of supreme value, that I know they're getting supreme value for the courses and the trainings and everything that's being offered, and the bonuses and stuff that are in that program, and sell one. I'd rather just sell to one person and make one sale than have to make 50 sales of front end offers like $7, $7. Those add up, but I'd rather just sell one big high ticket. So I concentrate on a niche of programs that in my niche that are looking for a high ticket programs. So that could really pad your pocketbook. So choose the right products always. Always be testing and improving. This is also a big one. You always want to be testing constantly. It never stops. And my coaches and mentors are always honest about this. And it's good because they're honest like this, because it really helps me to keep me in a forward motion instead of just being stagnant and stale. Always be testing and improving. Try to tweak things. Whatever you're doing, whatever you're working on, always test it, always improve it. That way you're just getting better and better and better. That's moving forward, and that's what you want to do. You want to take 10 steps forward, maybe get knocked back one, but then take 10 steps more, and you go farther. And it's always good to be testing, tweaking, and improving. So yes, that's really good. Always be testing and improving, because you're always learning. You never stop learning. Our coaches told us, you're never going to stop learning. And I've realized this. You're never going to stop learning. Every day is a different thing. You learn, you might learn one little tiny thing, but that one little thing may help you to get to that big thing, that bigger goal. So you're always learning to try to step up a little bit farther. So always be testing and improving. You have to dedicate time. Dedicating the time to this is a big step in your life and in your journey. If you don't dedicate the time to this, then you can't make it in this business. Affiliate marketing is not easy. If they tell you that it's easy and you can make $10,000 in a month, you might, but more than likely you just might as well walk away from that offer. Run the other direction. You don't need that. You want to find somebody that's got a permanent offer fantastic and it's offering value, and you can see the value, you can almost touch the value, you know. But you got to dedicate the time and the work and the effort to make affiliate marketing work. Because if you don't do the work, you're not gonna make it anywhere in affiliate marketing. So you have to brand yourself, get yourself out there, take the time to do the hard work, to learn the skill sets to become a super affiliate marketer, and that's what we're striving to do. Our team is, I love our team. Our team's great. I mean, there's other teams out there that are fantastic as well, and I give them kudos as well, because they're in there doing the hard work as well. But dedicate the time. That's a big one. Set proper expectations. Now this is a good one too. This is the last one. Set proper expectations. Now you want to set high goals for yourself. I mean, don't make them so far out that you can't hit them, but you want to shoot. You want to shoot for big goals instead of being down here and shooting for this goal. You can start at this goal, shoot for that goal first, and then shoot for that goal. Go up a little bit. Because if you start off right here, you just do that goal. Okay, so you got to that goal, but it didn't really get you to that spot up here. Up here where you want to be. You want to be up here. So you're always shooting for that spot up here. So always take the steps necessary. Use that spot down here. I'm trying to get my camera going here. Use that spot down here to make as a stepping stone to get to that spot up there. Think of it as that way, as a bigger step. Think of it as another stepping stone. But set proper expectations. Have your daily set routine. Work your funding proposal. If you have a regular job, work your funding proposal to create capital for your business, to be able to buy traffic, to be able to buy ads, to be able to run your business. Because without capital, you have no business. Period. Because without capital, you have no leads, and without no leads, you have no business. That's cut and dry, to the point reality. Period. I've learned that the hard way. And if you keep at it in consistent chunks, you'll be successful. And I hope this has been an informational or informal to you today. A lot of information, a lot of valuable information there that I just ran over. It's great to have content like this out here. That there's actually 10 steps of affiliate marketing success. That somebody's written down and they can be taught. And if you're just starting out and been doing affiliate marketing for some time, follow these 10 steps. It'll help you improve your chances of success. And each tip gives us an insight to the methods that are used by the most successful that have already been there and already walked the path. So anyways, this is my video for tonight. My name is Tracy Lee at The Freedom Lifestyle. I hope you got value from this tonight. If you have any questions or want to know any more information about what I just talked about, you can hit the links below. They'll take you to a page where you can evaluate it for yourself. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe below down on my channel to get more content like this. Also hit that notification bell. That'll also let you know when I go live in my next video to hear more content just like this. All right, have a good night. My name's Tracy Lee, Freedom Lifestyle. Have a good night. Bye, y'all.